10 quick at-home exercises for fat burning and strength. Are you tired of putting in the effort without seeing results? Do busy schedules or a preference for home workouts keep you from hitting the gym? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But don't worry, your fitness journey doesn't need elaborate equipment or a gym membership to succeed. All it takes is the right set of moves and a sprinkle of consistency. This quick fitness routine features 10 simple home-friendly exercises designed to help you burn fat faster, build strength, and feel energized. These exercises are perfect for general health enthusiasts who want to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. Stay until the end for tips on creating an effective fitness routine and learn how to tweak it as you progress. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. It's time to take charge and make fitness fun and accessible. Let's get started. Start your routine with high knees, a simple but powerful move to kickstart your energy. Stand tall, jog in place, and bring those knees up as high as possible toward your chest. Swing your arms for natural momentum, keep your back straight, and land gently on the balls of your feet. Begin with 20 seconds and rest, working up to 30 or 45 seconds as you get comfortable. This energetic exercise elevates your heart rate, increasing calorie burn and prepping your body for more challenging moves. It's also a confidence booster. After all, nothing feels more empowering than powering through that initial burst of energy. Squat jumps are next, combining power and fat-burning efficiency. Start by standing with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest lifted. Then, push through your heels to jump straight up, reaching toward the ceiling. Land softly and return to a squat to cushion the impact. Begin with 5 to 6 jumps if you're a beginner, and work your way to 10 or 15. Not only does this move torch calories, but it also strengthens your legs and glutes, improving everyday functionality like walking, running, or climbing stairs. Move down to a push-up position for mountain climbers, a fantastic full-body move that raises your heart rate while engaging your arms, shoulders, core, and legs. Starting in a plank, bring one knee toward your chest, then switch legs in quick succession. It's like running in place, but horizontally. Take it slow initially, doing 10 steps, and gradually increase to 20, 30, or more as your stamina builds. Mountain climbers efficiently combine fat-burning cardio with muscle engagement, making them a must-have for your routine. Burpees are a bit more intense but incredibly effective. Begin standing, drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, jump your feet back into a plank, then hop forward and stand back up with a jump. Start slow with 3 to 4 and gradually increase. Burpees work every muscle group, from your core to your legs and arms, while sparking an intense calorie burn. This total body workout improves your endurance and helps you achieve fat loss goals quicker. It's time to focus on your core. Lie on your back for bicycle crunches. Lift your shoulders slightly off the floor, bring one knee toward your chest, and twist your torso so the opposite elbow meets the knee. Alternate sides, mimicking a pedaling motion. Start with 10 slow reps and work your way to 20 or 30. Bicycle crunches strengthen your core, enhancing posture, balance, and stability, crucial elements for overall fitness. Stand tall for reverse lunges, an excellent move to sculpt your legs while improving balance. Step 1 foot back, lowering your back knee toward the floor while keeping your front knee in line with your toes. Push back to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Complete 5 repetitions on each leg as a beginner, and aim for 8 or 10 as you become more confident. Strong glutes and legs aren't just for aesthetics. They enhance your calorie-burning potential all day long. Push-ups are a classic, effective exercise for building upper body strength. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width and keeping your torso straight. Lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows, then push back up. For an easier modification, drop your knees. Start with 5, then gradually increase to 10 or 15. As you build muscle in your chest, arms, and shoulders, your body burns more calories at rest, adding to fat loss benefits. Get back into a plank position for plank jacks. Tighten your core, then jump your feet out wide and back together, similar to a jumping jack. Start with 5 to 10 reps, ultimately pushing for 15 or 20. This exercise engages your core while incorporating cardio, making it perfect for burning calories and improving balance. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet on the floor for glute bridges. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then slowly lower back down. Start with 10 and work toward 20 repetitions. Strong glutes protect your lower back, improve hip stability, and contribute to overall calorie burning capacity, making this move a foundational element in your routine. Side-to-side skaters are the grand finale. Begin by hopping sideways from one foot to the other while keeping your landing soft. It's like skating on ice, but better for fitness. Start with 10 hops, 5 per side, and aim for up to 30. This move boosts your heart rate while improving overall coordination, making it a fun and effective way to wrap things up. To create a workout, choose any 5 exercises. For example, high knees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, bicycle crunches, and burpees. Perform each for 30 seconds with a 15 to 20 second rest in between. This is one round. Complete 3 to 4 rounds, taking a 1-minute break after each. Modify to match your fitness level. Shorten the work time or lengthen rest periods as needed. As you gain strength and endurance, increase the challenge by extending work times or reducing breaks. Be consistent. Aim to do these workouts at least 3 times a week. On other days, consider walking, yoga, or taking a rest day for recovery. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay energized and support recovery. Eat well. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Sleep. Prioritize good sleep as it aids muscle recovery and overall energy. Your effort today builds the foundation for tomorrow's success. Some days might feel harder than others, but every rep is a victory. Whether your goal is more energy, health improvement, or boosted confidence, celebrate your progress, small or big. Stick to routine, challenge yourself, and celebrate your wins. Over time, these 10 home exercises will help you shed fat, build strength, and improve your overall well-being without stepping into a gym. You've got this. Start today, stay focused, and watch yourself grow stronger, healthier, and more confident with each step of the way. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.